So you have already passed your class 12 boards and you are waiting for your semester 1 classes to begin. But then because of delay in admission process, you don't yet know which university you're going to get enrolled into, which college is going to be for you, right? So how do you spend your days now? What to do to make sure that you don't waste this very vital period of time? Because no matter which college you get into, you need to have some basic understanding of your course. Now, yes, it is true that every university has its own syllabus, its own set of texts. So there's no point in studying any text in general unless you are absolutely sure you're going to get into one particular university. If you are sure which university is going to be for you, then you definitely should download the syllabus of UG English semester 1, and you should at least have some preliminary idea about the text, because once the classes start, it becomes very difficult to do any extra studies. Okay, so whatever extra study you want to do, this is the right time. And what if you don't know yet which university is going to be taking you in, because everything is so uncertain? Then I would suggest that since you have decided upon English honors, you should definitely look up different aspects of the history of English literature, because no matter what text you have in your semester 1, you will be required to understand the context in which that text is written. Okay, so if you have a basic knowledge about the way in which English literature developed over the ages, it will be very useful, and you can actually go through that video lecture series absolutely free on my channel, so that you can have a very basic overview of the transition from Old English period right up to the Victorian times. So this will be very useful once you get into your course and you get that momentum gained in your regular classes. Another important thing that you can do right now is watch movies, as many as you can. Try to select the movies which are critically acclaimed, and if possible, watch movies based on period drama, so that you get this entire idea of British society as it has changed over time. Also, you can watch the Hindi and English adaptations of Shakespeare's movies. Movies don't take much time, so within a very short time, you will be able to have a grasp over the basic storyline of many Shakespearean plays. That will really help you out later in your course. So do let me know what you are planning and how you are spending your time in this uncertain period. And definitely good luck for your admissions.